Queen.
Yeah,
Morning, Queen,
morning.
and welcome to Miss Malawi Auditions.
Thank you.
Firstly, I would like you to tell us more about yourself, your age, your educational background, and what you're currently doing.
All right. I'm Queen Kachigamba, age 21. I'm married to Rongwe Technical. I'm doing Cisco networking.
So you're an IT expert.
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay, you like computers.
Mhm.
Why would you like to become Miss Malawi?
I would like to become Miss Marawi because it is my passion to participate in the modeling career industry.
Modeling.
Yeah,
Miss Malawi is not a model.
I know.
Okay. Um, what is the pageant's theme? The theme for Miss Malawi pageant.
It's race control, population growth, tourism, and the pride for a Marawi girl.
Uh-huh. So with regard to managing overpopulation in the country, how would you as Miss Malawi contribute towards mitigating that or managing that?
Oh, firstly, I will make sure that you provide civic education to the people and teach them the importance of family planning and giving them recommended contraceptive methods and how to use them.
Okay. And what are the effects of overpopulation to a nation?
Mm, Being overcrowded, let's say in schools, hospitals, and there will be loss of employment.
Okay. Thank you.